In this video, I am sharing with you 200 essential office shadowing sentences. These are real sentences used in offices every day. You will hear them in meetings, emails, and daily conversations. Have you ever started a new office job and felt completely lost? You sit at your desk and look at your computer screen, but you don't know what to do. People around you talk confidently, but their words sound strange to you. Office words feel difficult. Processes feel confusing. It feels like everyone knows a secret language except you. Your manager asks, "Do you understand?" You smile and say yes, but inside you are confused. You don't ask questions because you are afraid of looking stupid. During lunch break, you secretly search office words on Google. You watch your coworkers work smoothly while you feel nervous and slow. The truth is, this happens to almost everyone. Most people struggle with office English in the beginning, but no one talks about it. If you practice these sentences, you will feel more confident. Office English will stop feeling scary. By the end of this video, you will understand conversations that once confused you. So stay with me and let's begin. Let me start by showing you my desk this morning. I need to check my email before the meeting. Can you forward that message to me, please? I'll reply to everyone on this thread. Let me schedule a follow-up call. I'm going to block off some time on my calendar. Do you have any availability this afternoon? I'm booked solid until Thursday. Let me send you a calendar invite. I need to reschedule our one-on-one. Can we push this meeting back an hour? I'm running behind schedule today. Let me grab my laptop and join you. I'll dial in to the conference call. Can everyone see my screen now? I'm sharing my presentation with the group. Let me pull up that document. I saved the file in our shared drive. You can access it from the network folder. I'll grant you permission to edit. Make sure to save your changes. I'm working on the quarterly report. This project is due by end of day. Can you help me meet this deadline? I'm juggling multiple tasks right now. Let me prioritize what's most urgent. I need to loop in my supervisor. Let me run this by management first. I'll get approval before moving forward. We need to stay within budget. I'm tracking our expenses carefully. Let me submit this for reimbursement. I need to fill out my timesheet. Don't forget to clock in when you arrive. I'm taking my lunch break now. I'll be back at my desk in an hour. I'll be back at my desk in an hour. Can you cover the phones while I'm out? Can you cover the phones while I'm out? I'm stepping away from my computer briefly. I'm stepping away from my computer briefly. Let me put up my away message. Let me put up my away message. I'm working remotely tomorrow. I'm working remotely tomorrow. I'll be logging in from home. I'll be logging in from home. Make sure you're online for stand-up. Make sure you're online for stand-up. We have a team meeting at 10. We have a team meeting at 10. I'm presenting my findings to the board. I'm presenting my findings to the board. Let me prepare some talking points. Let me prepare some talking points. I need to rehearse my pitch. I need to rehearse my pitch. Can you give me feedback on this draft? Can you give me feedback on this draft? I'm incorporating your suggestions now. I'm incorporating your suggestions now. Let me revise this section. Let me revise this section. I'll send you the updated version. I'll send you the updated version. Can you review this before I submit? Can you review this before I submit? I'm waiting for final approval. I'm waiting for final approval. The client requested some changes. The client requested some changes. I need to address their concerns. I need to address their concerns. Let me schedule a call with them. Let me schedule a call with them. I'm following up on their inquiry. I'm following up on their inquiry. I haven't heard back yet. I haven't heard back yet. Let me send a gentle reminder. Let me send a gentle reminder. I'm keeping track of all communications. I'm keeping track of all communications. I'll document this in our system. I'll document this in our system. Make sure to update the spreadsheet. Make sure to update the spreadsheet. I'm entering data into the database. I'm entering data into the database. Let me cross-reference these numbers. Let me cross-reference these numbers. I'm double-checking for accuracy. I'm double-checking for accuracy. Can you verify this information? Can you verify this information? I need to confirm with accounting. I need to confirm with accounting. Let me reach out to human resources. Let me reach out to human resources. I'm submitting a help desk ticket. I'm submitting a help desk ticket. The IT department is looking into it. The IT department is looking into it. My computer is running slowly today. My computer is running slowly today. I need to restart my system. I need to restart my system. Let me clear my browser cache. Let me clear my browser cache. I'm updating my software now. I'm updating my software now. Can you help me troubleshoot this issue? Can you help me troubleshoot this issue? I'm experiencing technical difficulties. I'm experiencing technical difficulties. Let me connect to the VPN. I need my login credentials. I need my login credentials. Can you reset my password? Can you reset my password? I'm locked out of my account. I'm locked out of my account. Let me contact the administrator. Let me contact the administrator. I'm requesting access to this platform. I'm requesting access to this platform. I need permission to view these files. I need permission to view these files. Can you add me to this distribution list? Can you add me to this distribution list? I want to subscribe to these updates. I want to subscribe to these updates. Let me opt into the newsletter. Let me opt into the newsletter. I'm organizing my inbox right now. I'm organizing my inbox right now. I need to archive old messages. I need to archive old messages. Let me create some folders. Let me create some folders. I'm flagging important emails. I'm flagging important emails. Can you mark this as high priority? Can you mark this as high priority? I'm setting a reminder to follow up. I'm setting a reminder to follow up. Let me add this to my task list. Let me add this to my task list. I'm checking off completed items. I'm checking off completed items. I need to delegate this assignment. I need to delegate this assignment. Can you take ownership of this task? Can you take ownership of this task? I'm assigning you as the point person. I'm assigning you as the point person. Let me know if you need support. Let me know if you need support. I'm here if you have questions. I'm here if you have questions. Feel free to reach out anytime. Feel free to reach out anytime. I'll be available on Slack. I'll be available on Slack. You can message me directly. You can message me directly. I'm checking my notifications now. I'm checking my notifications now. Let me respond to these mentions. Let me respond to these mentions. I'm catching up on team discussions. I'm catching up on team discussions. Can you summarize what I missed? Can you summarize what I missed? I was out of the office yesterday. I was out of the office yesterday. I'm getting up to speed now. I'm getting up to speed now. Let me review the meeting notes. Let me review the meeting notes. I'm reading through the minutes. I'm reading through the minutes. Can you share the action items? Can you share the action items? I need to know my responsibilities. I need to know my responsibilities. Let me clarify my role here. Let me clarify my role here. I'm understanding the expectations now. I'm understanding the expectations now. Can you walk me through the process? Can you walk me through the process? I'm learning the workflow step by step. I'm learning the workflow step by step. Let me shadow you for a bit. Let me shadow you for a bit. I'm observing how you handle this. I'm observing how you handle this. Can I ask you some questions? Can I ask you some questions? I'm trying to understand the big picture. I'm trying to understand the big picture. Let me see how this fits together. Let me see how this fits together. I'm connecting the dots now. I'm connecting the dots now. This is starting to make sense. This is starting to make sense. I'm getting more comfortable with this. I'm getting more comfortable with this. Let me practice on my own. Let me practice on my own. I'll try this independently first. I'll try this independently first. Can you check my work afterwards? Can you check my work afterwards? I want to make sure I did it correctly. I want to make sure I did it correctly. Let me know if I made any mistakes. Let me know if I made any mistakes. I'm open to constructive criticism. I'm open to constructive criticism. I appreciate your guidance and patience. I appreciate your guidance and patience. You've been really helpful today. You've been really helpful today. I'm learning so much from you. I'm learning so much from you. Let me buy you coffee as thanks. Let me buy you coffee as thanks. I'm grateful for your mentorship. I'm grateful for your mentorship. Can we set up regular check-ins? Can we set up regular check-ins? I'd love to continue learning from you. I'd love to continue learning from you. Let me know when you're available. Let me know when you're available. I'm flexible with my schedule. I'm flexible with my schedule. Can we meet weekly going forward? Can we meet weekly going forward? I think that would be beneficial. I think that would be beneficial. I'm committed to improving my skills. I'm committed to improving my skills. Let me invest in my professional development. Let me invest in my professional development. I'm taking initiative on this project. I'm taking initiative on this project. Can I volunteer for that assignment? Can I volunteer for that assignment? I'm eager to contribute more. I'm eager to contribute more. Let me show you what I can do. Let me show you what I can do. I'm ready to take on new challenges. I'm ready to take on new challenges. Can you give me more responsibility? Can you give me more responsibility? I'm proving myself to the team. I'm proving myself to the team. Let me demonstrate my capabilities. Let me demonstrate my capabilities. I'm exceeding expectations consistently. I'm exceeding expectations consistently. Can we discuss my career progression? Can we discuss my career progression? I'm interested in advancement opportunities. I'm interested in advancement opportunities. Let me know what skills I should develop. Let me know what skills I should develop. I'm working toward my next promotion. I'm working toward my next promotion. Can you support my growth here? Can you support my growth here? I'm building strong relationships at work. I'm building strong relationships at work. Let me introduce myself to everyone. Let me introduce myself to everyone. I'm networking with other departments. I'm networking with other departments. Can I join you for lunch today? Can I join you for lunch today? I'd like to get to know the team better. I'd like to get to know the team better. Let me participate in social activities. Let me participate in social activities. I'm attending the company happy hour. I'm attending the company happy hour. Can I bring anything to the potluck? Can I bring anything to the potluck? I'm excited to be part of this culture. I'm excited to be part of this culture. Let me contribute to team morale. Let me contribute to team morale. I'm staying positive and enthusiastic. I'm staying positive and enthusiastic. Can I help with that celebration? Can I help with that celebration? I'm organizing the birthday surprise. I'm organizing the birthday surprise. Let me coordinate with everyone. Let me coordinate with everyone. I'm sending out an invitation. I'm sending out an invitation. Can everyone RSVP by Friday? Can everyone RSVP by Friday? I'm finalizing the details now. I'm finalizing the details now. Let me confirm the reservation. Let me confirm the reservation. I'm handling all the logistics. I'm handling all the logistics. Can you trust me with this? Can you trust me with this? I'm reliable and dependable. I'm reliable and dependable. Let me prove my worth here. Let me prove my worth here. I'm showing up every single day. I'm showing up every single day. Can you count on me going forward? Can you count on me going forward? I'm committed to this organization. I'm committed to this organization. Let me be clear about my intentions. Let me be clear about my intentions. I'm here for the long term. I'm here for the long term. Can we build something great together? Can we build something great together? I'm invested in our collective success. I'm invested in our collective success. There you have it, 200 office work shadowing sentences that will change how you navigate your workplace. These phrases aren't just words, they're your roadmap to professional confidence. I remember my first week at my corporate job feeling completely overwhelmed by the language everyone used so casually. Now, after years of experience, I realized that mastering these sentences is what separated confused beginners from competent professionals. The beautiful thing is, you don't need years of experience anymore because you just learned what took me months to figure out. Practice these sentences out loud, write them down, use them in real situations, and watch how quickly you adapt to office culture. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it so more people who are struggling with office vocabulary can find it. Subscribe to this channel because I'm creating more content to help you succeed in your professional life. Drop a comment below telling me which sentence was most useful to you or what other workplace topics you want me to cover. Share this video with anyone starting a new job or feeling lost in their office environment. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who refused to give up. Your confidence will grow with every sentence you use, every conversation you navigate, and every challenge you overcome. Now get out there and show them what you're capable of.